Hey, our lesson today will be talking about negative exponents. Negative exponents. All right, let's look at a couple of problems. First, I want us to look at a couple of positive exponents. All right. So yeah, let me move that. There we go. All right. So let's say we have. Let me show you a pattern first. If you have something like 2 to the third power, okay, we know that that means 2 times 2 times 2. All right. And we know that that is 8. All right. 2 to the second power, we know is 2 times 2. I'm showing you a pattern, so watch very carefully. Okay. 2 times 2, we know is 4. Now watch this. 2 to the first power is just 2. All right. There's no 2 times 1 or anything. I'll write that again. Okay, that's just 2. All right. So this is 3 of those 2's, 2 of those 2's, 1 of those 2's. All right. Now, when you get to 2 to the 0 power, this means 1 all the time. Any number or letter to the 0 power is always 1, and I'm going to go through why that is. All right. Now, 2 to the negative first power is the same as 1 over 2 to the first power, which is 1 over 2. All right. 2 to the negative second power, okay, is, write that again, 1 over 2 to the second, which is 1 over 4. Let me write this down here. 2 to the negative third power is 1 over 2 to the third, or 1 over 8. Now that you see the pattern, I've written the pattern, but I want you to understand the pattern. So look very carefully. First of all, what I want you to see is the difference between 2 to the third power up here and 2 to the negative third power. I want you to see the difference between 2 to the second and 2 to the negative second. I want you to see the difference between 2 to the first and 2 to the negative first. There's a pattern there that I want you to see, so let's take a closer look at it. All right. 2 to the third power up here is 8. 2 to the negative third power is 1 over 8. They are reciprocals of each other. 2 to the second power is 4. 2 to the negative second power is 1 over 4. Got it? 2 to the first power is 2. 2 to the negative first power is 1 over 2. Okay? So, follow that pattern on this next example. I want to show you another one. So if I have 5 to the second power, I want you to tell me that that is 5 times 5, which is 25. All right. But if I say what is 5 to the negative second power, I want you to say 1 over 5 to the second, which is 1 over 5 times 5, which is 1 over 25. Again, these two are reciprocals of each other. This is a 25, and this is a 1 over 25. All right? So when you see this line, this negative line, what I want you to do is understand that this means 5 to the negative second over 1. Our goal is to get rid of the negative exponent, so we're going to, in essence, flip it. So what's on the bottom will go to the top. Okay? And what's on the top will go to the bottom with a positive exponent. Got it? So they mean the same thing. So when I say 3 to the negative second, that means over 1. When we work it out, we're going to flip it. We're going to put this on top, 1 over, put this on the bottom, 3 to the second. When you move this, please change your negative to a positive exponent. All right, so that's going to be 1 over 3 times 3, which is 1 over 9. All right, let's try that one more time here. All right, so if I have 9 to the second, you already know that that is 81. 9 times 9, 81. So I'll say, what is 9 to the negative second? You're going to flip it 1 over 81. They're reciprocals, okay? If I say, what is 4 to the second? You're going to say, 4 times 4 is 16. What is 4 to the negative second? The reciprocal, 1 over 16. All right? All right, very good.